Hello guys. So we are gradually moving ahead in our agentic YOLO journey, and in this video we will be talking about how to get started with using YOLO in your system, how to install it, and what is the procedure for that. Okay. So this is the Ultralytics page, and like I said, the best way to learn this is documentation. I'm specifically going to the documentation and showing you how do you begin from being completely naive. Okay, like we can see there are different versions, and we have a get started code. Yeah, so pip install Ultralytics. I'm just gonna copy that, and here we are in our project repository where we will be installing it. So let me just quickly paste it over here and remove this. And to install YOLO in our system, the command will be uv pip install Ultralytics. Let me paste that. Okay, see, this will be the command, and let me fire that. Make sure you are in your Agentic YOLO environment or whatever your name is, the environment name. And we can see that how it is installing the required libraries. Now, since the libraries are successfully installed, what we will do is we will add another library which is important. So uv, let me clear the screen. uv pip install ipy kernel. This is really important to have experimental notebooks kind of things. I'm just gonna make a new notebook over here, which will be YOLO experiments.ipynb, which is IPY Jupyter file, and the environment will be Agentic YOLO, and we will just print anything to check that if it is working, and if it is printing any number, it should be working fine. Like you can see that it has printed this number, which means everything is fine and we can start coding in this notebook. Let me go ahead and show you how do you start using YOLO. Again, the best way, documentation. So here I am. Let me go to docs and let me scroll and get this code. See, I'm purposely copy pasting that code from there so that you know where do we get the code from. Like we can see that we can load a pre-trained model. Pre-trained model means a model which has already been trained. You just need to use the model. You don't have to worry about how it is made. It is already trained. Okay. Now we can see how we can choose different sizes of models. N, S, small, large, extra large. We spoke about these things. Okay. As soon as I hit a shift enter on my code, a new model is going to be downloaded. It is N. N stands for nano. I'm just going to download a nano model. If you want to have a bigger model, you can just change the sizes from here, M, L, etc. I will be sticking to nano model. So I'm downloading nano model of YOLO 11 version. Okay. Let me hit shift enter and let us see how that looks. So the model has been downloaded, and let me show you how do we start using it. For this, we will just go to our Google and download a random picture. Let's say people images. Okay, let me go here and let me just download this random image. I'm just gonna hit save image, and this is my location. Yeah, I'm just gonna save. I'm just gonna save people. It's downloaded for me, and I have a people in JPG over here. Okay, I will go ahead and make a new variable to store the results to actually run the YOLO model right now. Yeah, we are doing that. So results is equals to model, which is our variable. Okay, and here we will be passing our path to the image. So the path to image is people.jpg. This is the path to our image, and here I will be doing results of 0 dot show, because that's where the results are stored. And when I hit shift enter to run the code, I can see I'm gonna have a result. Okay, so this is my result, and we can see that so many people have been detected, and a cup has also been detected, and that's what has been printed as well. See, 5 persons, 1 chair, 1 cup, 2 chairs, and all those things. Now, what if I want to use some another model of YOLO? Where I'm going to get that kind of code? So let me show you where do you get that kind of code. You're just simply going to go over here. Let's say you are interested in YOLO V8, which is a pretty famous model. You're gonna open that YOLO V8, gonna go down. You have all the different models. Okay, you're just gonna take, see, YOLO V8N. I'm just gonna copy that. Okay, I'll take this, I'll paste it over here. Now I'm gonna be using YOLO V8 Nano model. And when I hit enter, again, it's gonna start downloading, and we can see that it has downloaded this 8th version. And if I hit this again, I'm gonna see my results. See, I'm seeing my results. So what I'm trying to tell you is you can use any version of YOLO and any size of YOLO models. Okay. And let's say if you want to do different kind of tasks, okay, this is going to be your assignment. If you want to do different kind of tasks, so we have different kind of task over here. See, detect, segment. In order to perform segmentation task, what you can do is you can just take these kind of models. See, I will show you this. How do you do it? I'm just going to replace it with here. So I'm using YOLO 11 version nano model, the size and the segmentation task. Now, if I hit this shift enter, it's again gonna download this model. Now, when I hit shift enter again on this, I'm gonna see different kind of results. See, this is what I was talking about, segmentation. So the crux idea of showing you all this is now you should be capable enough to use any version of YOLO of any size and any kind of task you can do it. Yeah, so I hope you liked this particular video, and I hope you will practice your assignment to use any version of any YOLO model. Yeah, so that's all for this video, guys. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.